So this is something we talked about a couple weeks ago. And since then, it has really been expanded. It's the Samsung renewed service, right? And if you guys did not see, Austin Evans actually made a video on this where he bought from Samsung and he bought from Amazon and looked at the renewed processes to see what was different. Well, as he shows in this video, the phone he gets is almost looks brand new. And first off, they change out the battery. So they fix, they're not going to sell you a phone like Amazon does where it says renewed, but it gives you like a 70% battery, right? It gives you a brand new battery. If they need to change the back, like glass, they will. Obviously, if it looks fine, they won't. But if it does look scruffed up, they fix that. And they will change the front display. So the screen in the front, they'll go ahead and replace that if it's messed up. And they also replace the chassis of the phone as well if it's messed up. So they pretty much give you a brand new device. Like, in all intents and purposes, they take a device that they already have. Maybe someone trades in, maybe someone, or they get it because they haven't sold, they weren't able to sell that device, period. Take it apart, repackage it together, create pretty much a brand new device, and then they sell it. Which I was thinking that this was going to be very similar to like how, Amazon does it, where in reality, it's pretty much like a 50-50 shot whether or not you're going to get a really good refurbished device or not. That's not the case with this. You're pretty much guaranteed to get as close to a new device as possible. Now, as we looked at before with the Z Fold series, because that's one of the phones that's offered, the Z Fold 5 and then the Z Flip 5. So the total phones that are offered is going to be the S24 series, the S23, S22, Z Fold 5, and Z Fold and Z Flip 5. This is definitely expensive at that $1169 price tag. And then this is $649. Now, for these ones, I believe the trade-in value kind of fluctuates. So, like the S23 Ultra is $342 off, $300 off for the S24 Plus, and then so on and so on. But I believe, if I am correct here, if we go back to, like, for example, the S24 Plus version, and we do a trade-in, never mind. They're exactly the same prices. So I think at one point they had a deal when this first launched where it was a little bit more of a trade-in value. But still, I mean, if you have a 23 Ultra, they give you $342 for that. Which you subtract that from the 800, and that gives you. Okay, hold up. I agree. There we go. That's 300. Total is $457 for, in all intents and purposes, a brand new, in quotes, brand new device, which isn't bad at all. Like, again, so this actually might be the move, especially again if you're trying to get a cell phone, and you're like, hey, I want a phone that has all the bells and whistles. These are great phones here. Maybe I don't want the latest and greatest. I can trade in an old phone. And it's not a bad concept. So, shout out to Samsung for this, because this actually might be the biggest W out there right now. Because most of these renewed, quote-unquote, services, they don't really renew the device. They don't really do much of it. They take the device, they make sure it's wiped, they make sure it's clean, they wipe it down, and then they sell it. That's usually all they do. This actually looks like they are removing the back glass if they need to, the chassis, the front display, the battery. They're actually going out of their way to fix and renew these devices. Not bad. Peace out.